So, okay guys, ito na nga ang ating i-unbox for today, which is from Pop Race. And nakuha natin to kay Sir Michael Mateo. Big shout out to you, Sir Michael Mateo. So we have this Pop Race PR64-202 RWB997 Pink Edition. And this is, guys, manufactured by X-Car Toys. And this was supposed to be released January of this year, 2025. However, quarter 1 of 2025. So between of January to March. But it got delayed. But now we have it. Napakaangas. Nakita nyo naman guys. Kaya tara. Unbox natin to guys. Makikita nyo naman ang box. Napakaganda. Napakaangas. Pa-praise lang naman yan. See? At even sa back of the box. Ayan. Sa mga RW Porsche lovers out there, sigurado hindi kayo magpapapigil na magkaroon ng ganito. Okay? So, ayan guys. Let's go. So, again guys, as we all know, Pop Race, lahat yan, die-cast metal. Okay? Ayan, lagay ko muna. Ito siya guys. Whoa! Again, for all of the die-cast lovers and new collectors out there, be very, very careful, especially sa Pop Race. Kasi usually, ang unang nasisira or natatanggal is this one, the side mirrors. Okay? So, teka, ayusin lang natin guys. Minsan kasi hindi ganoon kaganda ang pagkakakabit, madali or sobrang nipis, kaya madali siyang matanggal. Yan. So, ayan na siya guys. Napakagandang 1997 RW997 from Pop Race guys. Tingnan nyo maigi. Napakasulit, napakaganda. Okay. Yaw, ganda. Alright. So, ayun na nga. So, this one guys, this is a metal die-cast. Ayan, kung makikita nyo. Napakasulit. RW lang naman din yan. Nakikita nyo yan guys. Nakikita nyo sa windshield. Oh. Rough World. Yan. Oh. Ganda. All pink. Nice body mode. Yan. Makikita nyo. Headlights pa lang. Guys, hindi yan sticker. Napakaangas. Napakaganda. Pati yung grills niya. Yan naman. Solid. At sa baba ng grills, may nakalagay din. Kahit ako nahihirapan makita. Ayan guys. Ang ganda. So may nakalagay siya guys sa duffel something. Sobrang liit. Kahit ako nahihirapan na akong makita siya guys. Ayan. O, pakaangas. Wheels niya guys is combination of alloy, alright, and rubber tire siya. Sa ilalim niya guys, die-cast din yan. Okay, ano naman, paganda with the Pop Race branding sa under chassis niya. Lahat rolling ang wheels, napaangas. Ano naman, 2-seater, and at the back may nakalagay na less. Yan, no? Ano naman yan? Okay. Oh, wow. Wow. Pati sa likuran, ito nyo naman, naka roller cage pa sa loob. Ang decals lang niya, Iles Raul well lang naman guys. Siyempre, RW Custom. Ayan. RWB guys. Dual exhaust. Both. Actually, hindi na dual exhaust to. Quadruple exhaust na. Oh. Kita nyo naman. Napakaganda. So, overall guys, napakasulit to add in your collection. Hindi open doors. Okay? And hindi din opening ang hood, to be exact. Baka may magtanong kung opening doors or opening hood. Sa ngayon, ito ay hindi. Ayan, makikita nyo. So far, so good. This is a must-have for those diecast lovers out there. And especially, RW pa naman yan. And Porsche. Oh my God. Napaka-angas. Napakaganda. So I give this one guys an awesome 10 out of 10 for this magnificent diecast model. So again, this is just a quick unboxing and toy review. Thank you so much, Sir Michael Mateo. And this is Sumrock Luna. Thank you for watching guys. Please do like and follow my page on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and even on YouTube for more toy unboxing and toy review. Alright. So, Sumrock Luna out. Happy Friday. Happy collecting and collect responsibly. Sumrock Luna out. Peace. Bye.